You know what's really messed up about life? People's gonna envy you for things they're not willing to work for. You know what's gonna be real messed up in life? That people gonna dislike you for things they're not willing to do. You see, what's gonna happen to you in life is that people is gonna envy. They're gonna envy you for the blessings that you have. But here's what they don't do. They're not willing to put in the work. They're not willing to put in the grind. They're not willing to make the sacrifice, but they always want your success. They always want your blessings. They always want the victory. But no one want to put in the work. No one want to put in the grind. No one want to make the sacrifice, but they expect all the victory, all the glory, and all the blessings. That's not how life is. That's what an entitled brat believes. And what you got to realize is that ain't nobody owe you nothing in life. Everything you got to work for. Everything you got to go out there and get it done. Nobody owe you nothing. So get off your high horse, get off your temper tantrum, get off your pity party, and go get it. Nobody owes you nothing. Stop envying people. Stop hating on people because they're doing better than you, because they put in the work. You got to go do it too. Shut up with all this complaining. Get to work.